Hi everybody, welcome back or welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today is we will have an unboxing and reviewing this iPhone 10R, and this is so very exciting because this is my second time unboxing phones in the video. And if you want to see my first unboxing about phones, I just want to link down below in the description box, so just check it out guys. And so before we start guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and hit thumbs up. So no more further ado, let's get into the video. So here it is guys. Before we open it, I just noticed that there's a color blue in this logo. This logo is color blue. Also here it is blue, and also here because the phone is blue. So I just find it so cute for me. So let's open it guys. And the original price of this is 40,000. So let's see. First, as you can see, is the user's guide, and yeah, it's just the user's guide. And there's an ejector tool here, and the Apple sticker. Let's set aside here. And there's the phone now. It is full screen, as you can see, and we will continue first to the accessories of the phone. First is this AirPod. Next is this, and this. So let's proceed to the phone. Let's long press here. And this phone, it has a 128 gigabytes, and English, Philippines, and set up manually. Continue. So here it is guys. So we will just swipe up to get started. So here it is. So here it is guys. As you can see, it's so very beautiful here. So this iPhone 10R has a liquid retina HD display, and also it has a 6.1-inch all-screen LCD. It has True Tone display, A12 Bionic chip. This iPhone 10R it shoots 4,000 videos and 7 megapixel front camera, and also the battery of this will last up to 1.5 hours more, and the camera of this is so very clear, and I will give you some pictures that captured in this iPhone 10. So yeah, I really fall in love in this phone guys. So I rate this 10 out of 10. This is so amazing. Also, my mom bought a phone case, so we will put it. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and hit thumbs up. So see you to my next vlog guys. Bye for now.